Vivo now seems to be racing to launch their best product. Now they launched a new product again, but this time it came from the V series. Their new product is called Vivo V29 5 grams. But for the time being, these products are only available in the Czech market, but will soon enter Indonesia. The price offered is quite expensive, but commensurate with the fierce specifications. Check out the specifications of the new Vivo product.
So treat the worst of times just like a test.
This smartphone is positioned as the big brother of the Vivo V29 Lite, which was released last June. This is because the Vivo V29 5 grams is equipped with more qualified specifications, for example on the screen with a higher resolution and a selfie camera. Talking about the screen, the Vivo V29 5 grams carries a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1260 x 2800 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and a pixel density of 450 ppi. This smartphone has a curvature of 55 degrees on the right and left edges of the screen. When compared to the Vivo V29 Lite, the resolution support is lower, namely 1080 x 2400 pixels only. Regarding the refresh rate and pixel density, the specifications are the same as the Vivo V29 5 grams. For the photography sector, the Vivo V29 5 grams relies on a 50MP front selfie camera with an expanded field of view and autofocus support. The front camera of the Vivo V29 5 grams has increased resolution compared to the Lite version, which only has a resolution of 16MP. Still, regarding the camera, the back of this latest Vivo smartphone is equipped with a 50MP main camera with OIS technology, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP depth lens, and an LED flashlight. In the module, there is also an Aura-Light luminous ring with a size of 15.6mm. Aura-Light technology is claimed to help beautify portraits in portrait mode. This lighting is said to be 36% brighter than the Aura-Light feature on the Vivo V27. Regarding the engine, the Vivo V29 is powered by a chipset made by Qualcomm, Snapdragon 778 grams. This chipset is accompanied by 8GB RAM and 256GB storage media. There is an extended RAM feature up to 8GB, so the total smartphone RAM can be 16GB. Then for power, the Vivo V29 Lite brother is supported by a 4600 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging technology. Vivo claims the battery can be charged from 1 to 50% in 18 minutes. Turning to software, this cell phone, with a thickness of 7.46mm and weighing 186 grams, runs the Android 13 operating system OS, which is polished with the FunTouch OS 13 interface UI. Other supporting features include a fingerprint scanner under the screen under display, 5 grams connectivity, dual SIM nano SIM, eSIM, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C port, IP68, water and dust-proof certification, and so on. Thank you for watching. We hope the information we convey is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.